Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Notch Indent on Beach Buggy Racing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. Tap on the player profile on the top left corner of the screen. Go to the settings section. Under the settings menu, look for the Notch Indent option. Finally, tap on the checkbox in front of the Notch Indent option and turn it off. And this is how you can disable Notch Indent on Beach Buggy Racing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.